Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So, dears, do you remember what we have learned in the last class? Yes, we have learned the kinds of pronouns, right? Which are the three kinds of pronouns we have learned in the last class? Yes, first one was personal pronoun. Then demonstrative pronoun, and one more we learned, that was interrogative pronouns, right? And now we are going to learn the other three kinds of pronouns. Which are they? Reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, and possessive pronouns. Okay, so let's start with reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun is a pronoun that is used when the doer of the action is also the receiver of the action. Okay, repeat. It is a pronoun that is used when the doer of the action is also the receiver of the action. That means the subject and the object is the same person. That is, doer and the receiver of the action is the same person. For example, when you are looking into the mirror, who appears? You only, right? So, the doer and the receiver of the action is the same person. That is reflexive pronoun. There are two types of reflexive pronouns. Singular reflexive pronoun and plural reflexive pronoun. Okay. So, the singular reflexive pronouns use self, S-E-L-F, self. Okay. And in plural reflexive pronoun, we are using selves, S-E-L-V-E-S, selves. Okay. Now look at the board. Here are the examples of singular reflexive pronouns. Read these words. Myself, himself, herself, itself, yourself. See children, you can be either used as singular or plural. Okay, yourself can be used in singular or in plural. Okay, now see the plural reflexive pronouns. Which are they? Ourselves. We are adding V-E-S, V-E-S. Okay, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Okay children. Look at this table. Here two columns are there, subject pronoun and reflexive pronoun. If the subject pronoun is I, what will be the reflexive pronoun? Yes, myself. And if you is the subject pronoun, the reflexive pronoun will be yourself. He, himself. She, herself. It, itself. One, oneself. We, ourselves. You, in case of plural, it will be yourselves. They, themselves. So you must study this table well. Now let's see some examples of reflexive pronouns. See the first question. I did it myself. I did it myself. Here in the sentence, the doer of the action and the receiver of the action is the same person. Okay, the subject and the object is the same person. I and myself. Okay, now read the second one. He did it himself. He did it himself. Doer of the action and receiver of the action is the same person. Look at the third sentence. We did it ourselves. Here, we is the subject and it is a plural pronoun. That's why we added VES, ourselves. See, the receiver of the action is ourselves. Okay, we, ourselves. Understood? Moving on to the fifth kind of pronoun, that is emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronouns emphasize a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Okay children. So here see these examples. I will do it myself. Here the emphatic pronoun is myself. Okay. It emphasizes what? A noun or a pronoun. Okay. See the next example. he himself bought a watch. Here the emphatic pronoun is himself and it emphasizes the noun he. Okay, so it is somehow same as reflexive pronoun, and the main difference is that even if we are removing this emphatic pronoun, the sentence will remain meaningful. Okay, see, read this. He bought a watch. Even if we are removing this emphatic pronoun from the sentence, the meaning will remain the same. Okay, children. Children, keep in mind that pronouns like himself, herself, ourselves can be reflective pronoun or emphatic pronoun depending upon their usage. Moving on to the last kind of pronoun, that is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are the pronouns that is used to show the possession or belongings. See this pen? This pen is mine. So, mine shows the possession, right? See the examples? This book is mine. Here, the possessive pronoun is mine. Okay? Mine. It shows the possession or belongings. That car is yours. Which word is possessive pronoun in this sentence? Yes, yours. Yours is the possessive pronoun in the sentence. So, that shows the possession. So, possessive pronouns are the pronouns used to show the possession or belongings. Okay, now let's do some exercises from your textbook. Okay, children, take page number 30 and don't forget to keep a pencil with you, right? Okay, read the question. Pick out the pronouns. You have to find out the pronouns from these sentences and you have to write its kinds. Okay, so see the first question. The white car is mine. So, in the sentence, can you find out the pronoun? Yes, it is mine. Okay, and tell me what kind of pronoun it is. It belongs to which kind? Mine? Yes, possessive pronoun. Okay, possessive pronouns. Okay, now next one. This is a new flower pot. This is a new flower pot. So, what is the pronoun in this sentence? Yes, this. Okay, so what kind it is? What kind of pronoun it is? This. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative. Okay. Now, third one. What did he say to you? Find out the pronouns in this sentence. What did he say to you? He, you, and one more is there. What? Yes, what? What is also pronoun. So, this is interrogative pronoun and he and you is personal pronoun. So, two kinds are there, right? Personal pronoun and interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Okay. See the last question. He wants to go to Spain. He wants to go to Spain. Here what is the pronoun? Yes, he. It is a personal pronoun. Okay, children. Personal pronoun. Okay. Moving on to the next exercise. Exercise B. Tick the correct answer. Each morning, I brush my teeth and look at dash in the mirror. Two options are there. Yourself and myself. What is the correct answer? Yes, myself. Myself. Okay. Now, second question. He wanted to make her happy. So he bought the gift dash. Answer is himself. Himself. Okay. Third one. My brother and I prepared this dance dash. Two options are there. Ourselves and herself. My brother and I. So, what will come? Ourself or herself? Yes, ourselves. Okay, ourselves. Okay, children. Now, fourth question. He was in a hurry. So, he washed his car themselves or himself. Two options are there. What is the correct answer? Themselves or himself? Yes, himself. Moving on to the last question. The children planned the trip. Two options. Themselves, ourselves. What is the correct answer? The children planned the trip. Yes, themselves. Themselves. Okay. Now, exercise D. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns. Tarun was asking for your phone number. Should I give Dash your number? Should I? Should I give? Him. Okay. You write there him. Second question. My grandmother is in hospital. My friend will come to meet Dash. Meet her. Okay. Third one. You should respect your parents. Dash have done a lot for you. What is the answer? Yes, they. Okay. So balance questions you have to do as a homework. Okay, children. I hope you all understood the concept well, the pronouns and its kinds. Okay, children, we will meet in the next class. Till then, bye.